Numerical 18. What is that?
Find the position of magnification of image.
Find magnification. Okay. Magnification of image. Yes.
An object placed at distance of 8.0
8.0 from
centimeter in front of convex lens.
convex lens. Convex lens, and u is equal to minus 8 centimeter. Okay.
Focal length is 10.0 centimeter.
F is equal to plus 10 centimeter.
Is the image erect or inverted?
What do you see? There is a convex lens. Right? This is principal axis and F. U. Okay. Focal length is
10.
focal length is 10 centimeter. This side also be 10 centimeter. And object is between object is here 8 centimeter. No, this is not. This is focal length. Right? Positive. Right? So it will be this side. So this is positive. F is plus 10. This is minus 10. So object is in between focal length, right, and optical center. Optical center. Then what happens? Image will be lying parallel to the principal axis after reflection goes through focus, and line from optical center behaves like a normal. So they are not meeting here. So they will meet somewhere here. So image is virtual, erect, and
Enlarged.
enlarged. Same side of object. Same side of object. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. This is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon 8. Minus minus
Plus.
plus. So plus goes on the other side. So we get 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 8. We get 40, right? It is 4. It is 4
minus 5.
4 is 4 minus 5. It becomes minus 1 upon 40, right? So you get 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 40. So V is equal to minus 40 centimeter. Exactly it is what it is saying.
A distance of 40 centimeter in front of lens.
In front of lens ना वही तो I am saying कि negative side बनेगा तो on the same side of object. So this is we have V, and what else you want? Virtual, huh?
Magnification.
Magnification. Five. Huh?
Plus 5.
Plus 5. How it is plus 5? अगर लड़की M is equal to V upon U. This is how much?
V is 40 and U
V is minus 40 upon minus 5. Minus minus cancel. It becomes,
8 over.
oh sorry, we have 8. U is 8 na? Minus 8. So it becomes 5 times. So plus 5 is magnification. You get this?
Yes.
This is how. This diagram I just make for my reference, right? But you can understand that because focal length object is in between focal length and optical center. So image will be virtual, erect and enlarged. So definitely distance will be more. I hope you understand this. कुछ ही समझ में आया आपको?
Yes.
Huh? You have to do it like this. Huh? One more. Should I rub?
Yes.
Ah. What is numerical number? 17. What is that?
A concave lens is a
Okay, concave lens.
focal length is 30.
Concave lens. F is minus 30 centimeter. Huh?
Find the position and magnification of image for an object placed in front of it at distance of 30 centimeter.
Oh my god. U is minus 30. Huh?
State whether the image is real.
Huh?
State whether the image is
यार ये जब ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट द फोकस है तो इमेज विल एट इंफिनिटी बनेगी. क्या लिखा है तुम्हारी किताब में?
virtual.
वर्चुअल तो बनेगी लेकिन क्या लिखा है तुमने? या तो कुछ गलत पढ़ा है. हाँ, तुमने कुछ गलत मतलब हाउ मच इज फोकल लेंथ?
Focal length is 30 centimeter.
और यू कितना है?
30 centimeter.
यार फोकल लेंथ भी 30 सेंटीमीटर है, ऑब्जेक्ट भी 30 सेंटीमीटर पे है, तो इट मींस कि Object is at focus. When object is at focus, then image is at infinity.
In front of lens, 15 centimeter in front of lens.
Sure. If you draw a diagram like this, like this, right? And this is, we have a concave lens. It's like this. This is optical center. This is focus. This is focus. Negative. So it means this is minus 30. Oh. In convex lens, in concave lens, it does not it does not affect position of object. It does not matter, right? So, and U is, they are saying U is also this. U is also minus 30 centimeter, right? In concave lens, position of object in front of lens does not affect, right? So what happens if object is here also? If object is here also, then what happens? Line parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will go like this, and it seems to be coming like this, right? And line from optical center behaves like a normal. So this is image. This image is virtual, erect, and diminished. वर्चुअल इरेक्ट इमेज बनेगी, ठीक है, एंड डिमिनिश्ड. एंड वी हैव 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Hello. So this is minus 1 upon minus 30 is equal to 1 upon v minus 30. Minus plus, and this plus comes on the other side, it turns to be minus. So you get minus 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon V. So what you get? 30 as an LCM, minus 1 is equal to V. So V is equal to 30 minus 2 becomes 15, right? So we can write V is equal to minus 15 centimeter. So image is, this distance is from here to here is 15 centimeter, minus in front of lens, in front of lens. If we change the position, hello, if we change the position, there is slight change in the object, right? Positioning जो size होता है image का, उसमें बहुत slight change होता है, ठीक है? So because of that, this is. So what they are asking for?
Magnification 0.5.
Oh, तो मैग्निफिकेशन छोड़ो, पहले V बता दिया, फिर इरेक्ट बता दिया, अब मैग्निफिकेशन क्या है?
V upon U.
Magnification M is equal to V upon U. So V is minus 15, U is minus 30. Cancel out 1 by 2. It becomes 0.5. Right? So M is plus 0.5. It means it is virtue erect. Erect image. Plus मतलब erect. Minus means inverted. Right? So you done this 17?
Yes.
Okay, what else? Should I rub?